Next thing is to bring down the tree so that we can have a good hold on fruits, bunch of plantain fruits, and died away, replacing itself with two. Those two also produced and already mature, and it's ready for harvesting. How do you tell that your plantain fruit is ready for harvest? You look out for several signs. When the fruit is produced in a bunch like this, you will discover that the fruits are very fragile and very small, very soft. You check them out. Then they gradually grows up, becoming bigger and bigger every day. Now, by the time they get matured, the final maturity takes place when you begin to check the first fruit under the stalk closest to the tree trunk, becoming ripe. When it becomes ripe, it shows that the whole bunch has become matured. If you don't see such a sign and you still want to know whether it's time to harvest your plantain or not, what do you do? First, you check the entire tree. When the fruit is completely mature, the plantain tree begins to die off naturally. It dies off after producing the fruit to maturity. You can see such yellowing of the fruits here. You can see that shows the bunch is ready for harvest. The fruit is mature enough to be consumed. Those are signs that you will notice inform you that the plantain bunch is ready for harvest. Now is harvest time. So this was the support. So to do the harvesting, first let's remove the support on the tree. The support is removed. Then, next thing is to bring down the tree so that we can have a good hold on it. Right. As you can observe, you will realize that as soon as we remove the support, then the trunk is coming down easily. And that is to show you that the trunk, the wooden support, was working fine on the trunk. So I actually supported this trunk from falling off. So now, this is the bunch that is just harvested here now. So now, the trunk doesn't have any job again. It can be broken, it can be pulled down, it can be, destroyed. So that is it. That is the harvest of the plantain in my garden. And then do not forget to like and share this video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell in order to get notified when we bring another informative and interesting videos such as this. Until next time, I say see you in my next video.